something like that. That looks right. So the lever can actuate with the pressure control cable, I believe. Yep. This. Go right into that pin right here. So you can get gears. So this is how this should go. So how it connects is it just drops on there, just like that. So that's how it should be. Well, the screen goes right back in there. Is the check valve okay? Nope, I think we have a casualty. No go, I can't find the check valve. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, boys. Alright, casualty of war. Need the check valve. Where did I have it? Has to be over here.